From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, our weather looking great as we round out the week, but eventually we're going to see a change in the pattern come this weekend, and part of it associated with that atmospheric river off the west coast out in the Pacific. So let's get into it and talk about it. What is an atmospheric river? Well, it's kind of what it is, a river of air that has got lots of moisture. And I'm kind of showing the upper level jet stream at the same time, but they are coincidental when you have a low pressure system here and it taps deep tropical moisture. Sometimes they call it the Pineapple Express because a lot of times this will come from the deeper tropics, but nonetheless, another atmospheric river. And I was talking about this earlier. They're categorized now. We used to just call this the Pineapple Express, but a more succinct definition is the atmospheric river, and they're categorized 1 through 5. Just a few days ago, they were impacted by a Category 5 atmospheric river. This one's going to be a Category 3, but follow the jet stream and watch that little jet stream maxima as it works its way toward the east, and that gets us to Sunday, and that's when we'll see some rain chances here. But we're just getting a part of a system that's coming out of the Pacific, and it stays busy on the west coast as well. You can see this mammoth upper level low and surface low impacting the Pac Northwest, portions of California. More energy coming in, and then there's another one behind that, and then there's another one over toward Russia. So just a parade of storms impacting the west. This is great for snowpack, great for water if you need it, and a lot of folks in the western states do, especially as you go farther south and into the Intermountain West. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Meanwhile, our weather couldn't ask for better. Weak high pressure moving in, just a few high clouds late this afternoon, early this evening, but generally clear skies expected. High pressure stays large and in charge through Friday, and then as we head into Saturday, we'll have an area of low pressure trailing frontal boundary, but not much of a front, generating showers mainly to the west Saturday. Then we move into Sunday. We'll see showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as well. Not expecting severe weather nor heavy rainfall at this point, about a ½ inch of rain at this point. And then we have another nice break, after some additional showers by Monday. This is Monday, a little bit cooler with that wet weather, but not too terribly cold. Then we get into the middle part of next week, looks good, and then the next weather maker coming on through a week from tomorrow. This one may have a little bit more punch to it, probably will have some severe weather elements to it, and to the north you're going to have good snows again. Meanwhile, I've been hiding it, but the parade of storms continues across the west, and for us going into the following weekend, weather looking good, no complaints here. Here's rainfall over the next 10 days across the U.S., a lot off the east coast, some rain locally. We translate to blue, that's about an inch of rain. That's over 10 days, so it's not much. Purple gets you into the 2-inch category, so that's over toward Texas, western Louisiana. And then you see, look at this, anything yellow or above 8 inches, and there's some 10, 15-inch hot spots across portions of California and lower elevations, so this means flooding. And then the moisture at the upper elevation is going to be big snows across the Sierra Nevada. Very important to feed. This is the air, this is the breadbasket of America here, and then getting some more snows into the Intermountain West, which is also good news, helping out that Colorado basin. Meanwhile, for us, it's a simple temperature forecast, lower 40s overnight tonight, northern parishes, so you're going to need jackets and sweaters tomorrow morning. Mid-40s I-10 corridor and low to mid-40s along the coastal parishes. Then a nice warm-up tomorrow, but not as mild as it was today. Will favor upper 60s, but still wall-to-wall sunshine. Tomorrow night back down into the mid-40s. And as we head into your Friday afternoon, upper 60s, lower 70s, and even milder for Saturday. So overnight tonight, clear skies, generally 45 the overnight low, which is typical for this time of year. Nearly a full moon, officially full tomorrow night. Another winter of a day tomorrow. Slightly cooler overall as compared to today, 68 the projected high. As we move into the 10-day forecast, warmer for Saturday, there's Sunday. Rain chances at 80%. That doesn't mean we're going to have a complete washout, but rain chances pretty good bet at some point. Showers tailing off as we head into Monday, bit of a break, then the next rainmaker Thursday. Behind that one, it looks to get a little bit colder. Right now we're pushing upper 30s, maybe going into that following weekend. Could be a little bit colder, but really don't see any cold air in the offing anytime soon. For right now.
Cold air.
Cold. I'm talking about I've moved the plants out of the garage, back outside.
Okay.
I track that very closely because I don't want to be moving them back into the garage. Right.
That's tough. All right. Thanks, Rob. Stay with us.